Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to replace Honda Accord brake rotors. First, gather all your essential tools, including a reliable jack, sturdy jack stands, a lug wrench, and a complete socket set. Make sure you have the correct new brake rotors and pads specifically designed for your Honda Accord. Always park your vehicle on a flat, stable surface and firmly engage the parking brake. Before lifting, slightly loosen the lug nuts on the wheel you plan to work on. Now, safely lift your vehicle using the jack and secure it firmly with jack stands for maximum stability. Once the car is secure, remove the wheel completely. Next, locate and detach the two small caliper guide pin bolts. Carefully slide the entire brake caliper assembly off the rotor and hang it securely, avoiding any strain on the brake line. Finally, remove the two larger caliper mounting bracket bolts and then take off the old brake rotor. With the old rotor removed, it's time for the new components. First, thoroughly clean the wheel hub surface with a wire brush to eliminate any rust or debris, ensuring a flush fit. Carefully place the new brake rotor onto the wheel studs. Reinstall the caliper mounting bracket, tightening its two bolts to the manufacturer's specified torque. Apply a thin, even layer of brake grease to the caliper guide pins, then insert your new brake pads into the bracket. To complete the installation, you'll need to compress the caliper piston using a C-clamp or a specialized tool. Carefully slide the caliper back over the new pads and rotor, then securely reattach the two guide pin bolts. Reinstall the wheel, hand tightening the lug nuts before lowering your vehicle. Once on the ground, torque the lug nuts to the manufacturer's specifications in a star pattern. Finally, pump the brake pedal several times to restore proper pressure before driving.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.